Hello, my loves. You already know how excited I am about this one. I hope you're all caught up on what I got for my birthday because I finally found the bag. The one that we were talking about, the one that we have been hoping for, the one that I needed to replace the Louis Vuitton bag that went back. Obviously, we went Chanel. My goal was to not buy a bag for just at least a week and a half after my birthday because we went to New Orleans for the Super Bowl and I knew that they had a Chanel store in the Saks there in the quarter as well as a Louis Vuitton. So I knew I wanted to check out those stores in case there was any inventory left over from anything in past seasons that I may have wanted or may have overlooked, or anything that was just unique to the city that maybe we didn't have here in Dallas. I am so glad that I decided to wait. Like, I am so glad. I'm really excited about this bag. I actually waited to unbox it. So I'm kind of nervous about that because if anything is wrong, like, I don't know what I'm going to do. But I'm trusting that everything went well with the boxing of it because this was the last one that they had in store. So it was on the actual shelf. I'm not going to keep you waiting because I want to see myself. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Let me move you. I think I should move. Let me move you to where I have a counter in my bathroom. Okay, so now let's get the full effect. Yes, we love it. We love it. Okay, so we have the Chanel. This is the beautiful box. I tried to travel with it and keep it as pretty as possible. Isn't she beautiful? This, making sure that there's no personal information here. The bag was $4,400. And with tax, it came out to $48.50.78. So yes, I was trying to find something that was going to be a little cheaper, and I failed. In all honesty, I failed. So let's show you what we got for that pretty price tag. Okay, let me try to, should I try to unbox this pretty? I don't know. Let's just take the sticker off. Oh my gosh, you guys, just pray for me because I don't know why I want to try to keep it pretty, but whatever. Let's just pray that everything went well. Can you see the color? Oh my gosh. Y'all look at how beautiful. Look at this color. This is the prettiest lavender. This chain feels heavy. Let me show you the chain because what actually sold me on the bag was the chain. I know you see why. Do you see that pretty pink? Okay, so I had him comparing, I love the color, the lavender, but I had him bring out another one. And as soon as he took out the chain and I saw the pink and purple, yeah, I said sold. I said, I'm sorry to even have you bring out the other one because I don't need to see anymore. Like I want this one for sure. It's gold on this side and then pink and purple on this side. Y'all know I'm like a bit of a girly girl when it comes to pretty things and colors. And yeah, I was sold. Let me just give you a little bit of a close up here. You look at it with me and make sure nothing's wrong with it. It looks good to me. Checking out the corners because I really want to get the most use out of this bag. I cannot wait for spring. There are little marks on this though. Look at this. Can you see that? It's like a little scuff. That's what I was worried about. That's exactly what I was worried about. Like, I wouldn't be the first one to put like a little scuff mark, you know? So I will try to buff that out and see. This is the inside. So this is a wallet on chain. It is seasonal. So this was the color that came out last summer, I believe. So this was the last of it. I'll just remove that. So satisfying. Look at how cute. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love the secret pocket here because I would so just put my cash there, cards in here, and you know, I don't even know if I would utilize some of these other pockets. I just kind of like everything being in one major pocket. How pretty. Oh, this is like my favorite right there. Since it was in the store on the showroom floor, it didn't even have the stickers on here, but the C's, they look great. They marked. So this is the actual tag and it is called a wallet on chain. It's got the gold hardware and whatever other things you may need. Look at her. So cute, right? So cute. All right, let's pack this stuff up and let me talk to you for a minute. Okay. Can you still see me? So of course, I'm super excited to wear her for spring since spring is right around the corner. Like spring is literally right around the corner. I am so excited to wear her for spring. Of course, this bag hits a little long, you know, I'm 5'9", but usually I tie up the chain anyway on all these bags. So let's just hope that you can still see the Yes, you can still see the pink and purple acrylic part when you double the chain, because this is how I like to wear it. I'm just like, a shoulder bag girl, especially right now. I'm just glad to be hands-free, but I was never really a big crossbody person unless it was just part of the actual outfit. I like to either carry my bag in my hand or on the crook of my arm or on my shoulder. So I'm glad that you can still see the main attraction, which is the strap. This is actually a champagne hardware. I'm working on how to figure out coloring and all that, but I don't know if it's gonna come up on screen. It's actually a champagne gold. So it is gold-ish, but I know it'll probably look silver just because of the camera and the lighting. I have the bright light on here. I love this. I love the size of the wallet on chain, and I really think that it's such a convenient bag because you can literally tuck in the straps and use it as a clutch because it's so small. And they also make it where you can completely tuck in the straps and you don't see anything on the side. So, if you have like a formal event, you could totally wear this as a clutch bag. But I love it with the straps, whether or not I'm wearing it casually or formally. I love it with the shoulder strap. Man, this is just so pretty. I also like to kind of carry my bag sometimes just like this and just like let it dangle. I like that. That way I can just have the whole chain out. If you do want to wear it crossbody, of course, it's the standard wallet on chain. So this is usually the length of it. And you can get those little adjusters. Actually, I think you can ask Chanel. I really don't have a need for them, but you can ask the Chanel sales associates when you purchase a bag like this, if you can get the little strap adjusters, especially if you're on the shorter side. Oh my gosh, that would be so helpful then to always have to fumble around or purchase like post-market, like on Amazon or something like that. Speaking of Amazon, I've had this bag sitting for like 2 weeks now, so I'm really glad that I got to unbox it. But I did buy from Amazon a little insert because I love how the wallet on chain looks when it's full. I don't really like how it looks when it's not all the way full, kind of like collapsed. So I did buy a shaper, a base shaper, just so that while I'm storing it and everything, it'll stay open. Of course, I can fill it up. So when I'm using it, it's not going to look like that. But I did want to buy this. Let me show it to you real quick. I wanted to try it out first. They have different price points. They have like leather ones. I just bought the felt version. It was like $10 for two. It might have been less than that, like $7 or $8 for two. You have the one that's shaped like a U to go up along the sides. If that kind of annoys you and you just want the base shaper, then it comes with the base shaper as well. Most of them sell them in packs of twos where they either come like this with the flaps or without the flaps, or you can buy two like this. And if this works pretty well, then I want to go ahead and get the leather version and the ones that have the sides extend all the way up. I feel like it might be a little bit of an inconvenience, which is why I bought this kind first. I really wanted to shape the bag. Now I'll probably need to watch some reviews and just make sure that people don't have issues doing this, like that it doesn't kind of cause more wear and tear, but it just looks so much better. It looks like, a full size bag or like a mini bag instead of just like a wallet on chain. So once you fill up the sides, I think it looks even healthier, fuller, more voluptuous, if you will. And that's how we like our girls. You can hear my babies just got home. And then the other thing I love to do is to play with the strap length to dangle. So I might do something like that. I'll have to play around with it and see where everything hits, but I love something a little more non-classic. I have to play around with it and let you know what I end up coming up with, but I cannot wait to style it. I already feel like going somewhere. So let me figure out where we're going this week, and hopefully it's going to be sunny or maybe not. You know what would be really pretty actually for a winter look would be like an all gray outfit and then lavender, gray and lavender. Oh, I love that. I love the gray and burgundy look that's going on right now, but I really love gray and lavender also because gray is a neutral. There's something about the gray, like even gray and like forest green. I don't know. I like throwing in like a weird pop of color, something kind of unexpected. So I'll have to tell you or show you how I end up styling this bag. I love it. This was my birthday bag. So the official birthday bag replacement for the Louis Vuitton one that didn't work out. Oh, quick backstory also. Since I bought this bag in New Orleans, like with Mardi Gras, the official purple color, I did want something that would kind of remind me of where I got it because I wasn't sure if I was going to hold out for our Spain trip. So I wanted it to remind me of my birthday and the situation and everything. So I thought it was so awesome that they had a purple bag, which was official Mardi Gras color. Mardi Gras is right around the corner. Also Super Bowl. There were so many purples and greens and all the Mardi Gras colors incorporated into the city and into the campaign of Super Bowl. So it's really going to help me to remember everything that went on for my birthday. And I love it. You have to let me know what you think of the color. Hopefully this color comes out right. Somebody needs to give me a tutorial. Color correcting after filming. Oh, and you know, one of my favorite things, of course, I'm sure you've seen in past videos, is like wearing like a purple shadow and like a berry lip. So, I mean, is this not me? You know me. Is this not me? This is so cute. She's such a cutie. I just wanted to do a really quick video to show you what I got. Maybe I'll do like a spring video so I can style some looks with this bag and then some of my other bags that are more springtime since spring is upon us. But thanks so much in sharing in my excitement and letting me review this beauty, my birthday bag. What, babe? Okay, now I'm gonna let you go for real. I love you. I love you. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!